Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So guys, I am Sudhir Mohan and welcome back to a new video. So in this video we are going to talk about what we can contribute in digital marketing industry. So I cannot tell about yourself, but I can tell about myself that what I want to contribute in digital marketing industry. So the first thing that I want to contribute in digital marketing industry is I want to create so much awareness in the local businesses, the local business that we have in nearby our homes, like kirana stores, general stores, small businesses. Okay, small businesses like who provide daily uses things. So I want to promote digital marketing in this local business industry because they are really a little aware about digital marketing and they can get a lots of benefit. They can get lots of benefits from digital marketing if they will use it and implement it in their business. So that is one thing that I want to do in my future and I am preparing for that. Now the second thing I want to contribute in digital marketing industry is that if I tell about myself, I got to know about digital marketing and all these things very late in my life. So I am right now learning all these things and I have done some work, but I am learning till today. Now I think that there is a huge potential in India, and if we teach this to the children, if we teach the digital marketing skills to the children from a younger age, we can help India become a very good industry leader in digital marketing. So I want to give and provide the best digital marketing knowledge, the best digital marketing trainings to children in India, so that we can get a best team of digital marketers. And if children will start learning digital marketing from a very young age, when they will start working in digital marketing industry, they will be on another level. So that's why this is the second thing that I want to contribute in digital marketing industry. I want to provide the international level digital marketing knowledge, education to the children in India. So this was the second thing. Now talking about the third thing is I want to create a digital marketing agency which is working on an international level, and I want to create it in the real estate industry, so that in international level, in a global level, people must know that yes, there is an agency from India who is working for real estate agents, and it is on the best level in the world. So I want to create a world level digital marketing agency for real estate businesses, and we want to provide digital marketing services in the world for real estate business, so that I can get to know, my agency can get to know that yes, we are the best for real estate industry if we talk about digital marketing industry. So these are my three contributions that I want to do, and I am working for that. So I feel I will be able to do these things. So according to me, you also must have some thing that you want to contribute in for your country, for your industry, whatever you are doing. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. I would like to say all the best to you if you are also working on something and you want to contribute in your industry. So guys, I want to tell you that I have a digital marketing agency and I am working in real estate business. So if you want to grow your business in real estate, if you want to get leads, if you want to generate high quality leads for your real estate business or any type of business other than real estate also, we have a good team with us. We are having a 4-people team, okay, and we are giving the best offers right now because we are new in the market, but we are working to give the best results. So if you are interested in growing your business, if you are interested in generating leads, high quality leads for your business, then you have a link below in the description to get a consultation call, to get a strategy call with me. So we will create your digital marketing agency and we will help you to grow your business. So thank you so much for watching, and if you are interested in getting a free consultation call, you can get you will get the link below, and you can just go and apply for a free consultation with me. So thank you so much guys. We will meet in the next video. Till then, take care, bye bye. Stay healthy, stay safe, and happy Diwali.